Hey, my people, good morning, good afternoon. I hope you are doing well wherever you are. Thank you so much for coming back. I have another vlog for you. It's a short video that I have for you here, guys. Thank you so much for those who are going through my videos and watching them and subscribing at the same time. Thank you so much. So today we are going to unbox this. This is Redmi Pro Max or Redmi Note 14 Pro. This is a new phone, guys. This is a new phone. I decided to change the brand because I have been using Infinix for so long and I wanted another phone that the camera is clear. So this phone was launched like last week. It was launched like last week. It is 2 weeks year old, especially here in Kenya. Almost 2 weeks, not exactly 2 weeks, almost 2 weeks. And when you buy it within that 2 weeks or 3 weeks, they will give you these pads for free. So I was given this for free because they came with the phone and because the phone was still sealed. That's why they gave me these pods to use, because the phone was sealed, was still sealed. The shop guy, they were the one who removed the seal under my watch because I told them to remove it to set it for me, to set the phone for me. So if you get it right now, wherever you buy it, please ask for the pods they're supposed to give you with that. Make sure your phone is sealed, my people. So they came in a set like that. So the phone has a charger, it has a protector, the back protector, and it is faster charger. It charges so fast. That's the cover to put the phone. Because it was launched last week, the fancy covers are not out yet, but I was told they will be soon they'll be here. So it came with that cover. It's a normal rubber cover and this manual for me to read. I think they don't expect me to read all of that. So here is the phone, guys. Here's the phone, very slim. Here's the phone, guys. You see? Here is the phone. I've been using it for 3 days now. And let me tell you guys, the camera of this phone is so nice. So nice. And it has 4K. And you can increase it if you want it to increase. They say, and I had already put the protector, the front protector, that glass that you're supposed to put on the screen to protect the screen. I had already put that. It has this towel here, wrap piece of cloth to wipe the screen, and it has the charger. It has the pin to unlock the SIM card side, and it is a dual phone. You can put 2 SIM cards. It is a dual phone. It is a dual phone. So upcoming YouTubers, this is good for you. Upcoming YouTubers like me, this is good for you, trust me. The charging is 45 watts. I think I have said it correctly. It charges less an hour. 50 minutes, the phone is full, and the charge still has the seal. You see, charge still has the seal because they removed the phone seal because we wanted to set it. So if you're upcoming YouTuber like me, please go for this. Go for this and you'll be so happy. So far so good. The phone is good, everything is good, and it has 250, I think 250 GB space. So far so good, guys. So far I'm happy because the phone is good, and the camera, the front camera and back camera, they can work at the same time. If you want to use the back and the front, you can use it at the same time. So here's the phone. For those who want it, please go for it. Please go for it. It is a good phone. It is a good phone. Fast camera, fast serve. You're supposed to be given free pads there, and it came with that cover. The fancy one are not yet out. I was told they will be out in 2 or 3 weeks. The fancy covers will be out. So if you're struggling and you're wondering how to find a phone to make good videos, good everything, go for this. For a start, go for this. You will not regret it. Go for it. I'm so happy because it is a good phone. I have so much to explain, to tell you about it, but I'll just tell you, go for it. So far so good. So far so good. So thank you guys. Thank you so much for those who have subscribed. Please continue subscribing, continue sharing my videos, and I'll be so grateful.